All right, let's dive right into it. You're here because you want to create YouTube videos, but maybe you're on a budget and you're wondering what the cheapest video equipment is to get you started. Well, let's break this down step by step so you can make informed choices without breaking the bank. First up, let's talk about cameras. Now, you might think you need the latest, fanciest camera to get started, but let me tell you, that's not the case. A lot of great content is made with what we already have. If you own a smartphone, congratulations, you're already halfway there. Most modern smartphones have decent cameras capable of shooting in high definition. Look for features like optical image stabilization, which can help reduce shaky footage. So if you've got a smartphone, that's your first piece of equipment. But let's say you want something a little more advanced. If you're looking to invest a bit more, consider a budget-friendly DSLR or mirrorless camera. Brands like Canon, Nikon, and Sony have entry-level options that won't drain your wallet. Look for models like the Canon EOS Rebel series or the Nikon D3500. These cameras often come with a kit lens, which is great for beginners. Remember, it's not about the gear, it's about how you use it. Next, let's discuss tripods. Stabilization is key in video production. A shaky video can be distracting, and you want your audience to focus on your content. You can find affordable tripods online or at local electronics stores. Look for lightweight options that are easy to carry around. Brands like Amazon Basics offer decent tripods at a low price point. Make sure it has adjustable height and a quick release plate for convenience. Now let's talk about lighting. Good lighting can make a world of difference in your videos. If you're shooting indoors, consider using natural light. Position yourself near a window during the day for soft, flattering light. If you want to invest in artificial lighting, softbox kits or ring lights are quite popular and relatively inexpensive. They provide even lighting and help reduce harsh shadows. You can find budget-friendly options on platforms like Amazon or even at local photography stores. Sound is another critical aspect of video production. Poor audio quality can ruin even the best visuals. If your camera's built-in microphone doesn't cut it, you might want to look into external microphones. A lavalier mic, often called a lapel mic, is an affordable option that clips onto your clothing. This type of mic captures clear audio and can be found for under $50. Another option is a shotgun microphone, which can be mounted on your camera and is great for capturing directional sound. Brands like Rode and Boya offer budget-friendly options that are quite popular among content creators. Now, let's talk about editing software. You might think you need to invest in expensive software, but there are plenty of free options available. If you're using a Mac, iMovie is a fantastic tool that comes pre-installed. For Windows users, DaVinci Resolve offers a powerful free version with a ton of features. These programs are user-friendly and perfect for beginners. As you grow and develop your skills, you can always upgrade to more advanced software, but starting with free options is a smart move. Speaking of software, let's not forget about storage. Video files can take up a lot of space, so you'll need a reliable way to store your footage. External hard drives can be a lifesaver, too. You don't have to spend a fortune. There are many affordable options out there. Look for drives with at least 1 terabyte of storage. Brands like Western Digital and Seagate offer reliable external drives that won't break the bank. Now let's talk about accessories. Things like a camera bag, lens cleaning kit, and extra batteries can help you manage your equipment better. A good camera bag protects your gear and makes it easier to transport. You don't need a fancy one, just something that fits your camera and accessories will do. A lens cleaning kit will keep your lenses free from dust and fingerprints, ensuring your videos are always clear and crisp. And having extra batteries on hand is always a good idea, especially for long shoots. Finally, let's discuss the importance of planning your content. No amount of equipment can replace good storytelling. Before you hit record, take some time to outline your videos. Think about your target audience, the message you want to convey, and how you want to engage your viewers. Planning helps you stay focused and keeps your content organized, making the filming and editing process much smoother. So, to recap, the cheapest video equipment for creating YouTube videos includes your smartphone or an entry-level camera, a sturdy tripod, affordable lighting options, external microphones for better audio, free editing software, reliable storage solutions, and some basic accessories. Remember, the key to success on YouTube isn't just having the best equipment. It's about creating engaging content and connecting with your audience. Now, go ahead and start creating. Your journey in the world of video content awaits. And with the right equipment and mindset, you can make it happen without spending a fortune. Happy filming!